So this is what it sounds on my computer mic. And this is what it sounds in this mic here. And this is what it sounds like in this machine here. Don't you just hate it when you have to listen to a meeting or someone speak and the sound is so poor quality? So I'm going to give you some tips on how you can improve the quality of the sound that feeds the people you serve. If you've taken the time and effort to think about the quality of sound, it means to your audience that you are thinking about their listening, their ability to listen and listen in comfort, listen with ease. If you've taken the time and effort to produce quality sound, your audience will be more prepared to listen to you. They know that you are taking their best interest in listening to your content. They're already engaging with your content, and all you're doing now is trying to make their lives more comfortable so they can listen to you with more ease. Dialogue needs to be clear. In a Teams meeting, you're engaging your co-workers. In a Zoom call, similarly, if you're doing a podcast, your listeners are enthused about listening to you. Sound is so important. We're going to test 3 types of sound. One is this, one is the computer microphone, and one is the one you can see here. So this is what it sounds on my computer mic. And this is what it sounds in this mic here. Clear? But if you put a little bit more effort in, and this is what it sounds like in this machine here. Very clear, and this is what you've been listening to all through the videos that I've been sharing with you. If you're very agile, and stick to the headphones, stick to the computer mic, but in reality, in the long game, and working from home is really part of your new normal. An investment in one of these is not going to be a bad thing, and I've got a link in my description. There are many others. This is the one that I found to be the best value for money, and you can get it on Amazon pretty much next day delivery. It's called a condenser microphone, and it has a back filter to cut out the sound in the background. It's the easiest way to speak to somebody, either on a call or when you're making videos. This is how you should be approaching life working from home. So another option which I haven't taken on here is the Jabra headset, which is linked here somewhere. This one is a really good option as well, but again, without this filter here, what you find is the T's hit the eardrums quite hard, and the P's and the C's, the hisses, it comes through very sharp and can be uncomfortable over longer conversations online or longer listenings online as well. So really think about that. I'm not a big fan. I prefer to use the headphones for hearing and to use the condenser microphone for speaking. Because Teams meetings and Zooms are recorded, people are going to go back and listen to them afterwards and watch. And it is so imperative that the sound quality that you're emanating from so what's recorded is picked up clearly. Obviously there's closed captions on there, so it's trying to pick up your language. If that's fuzzy at all, the language pickup won't be right. System, it just makes good sense for staff well-being, for your own clarity of communication, that you have clear tools to help you do your job properly. Please comment below, what kind of tools are you using to communicate? Are you still using the computer mic? Are you using the headset? Or are you using the earphones? Or are you going to think about investing in this condenser microphone? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've got any other better ideas, drop them in the comments or ask me to have a look and I will investigate. Again, thanks for watching. Please comment, share and like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Follow if you're on stream, and more of this type of content to come on. So please show some support. And if you've got any feedback, I'd love to hear it. Thanks a lot. See you soon.